Hello everyone, this is Vishal Keshavani from second year Computer Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic Gondia. Today I am going to show you how I have created pathology report building application using VB.NET. So for this I have used Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 professional version. Other versions may vary in our application startup. So let's begin. As you see, I have used Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 professional version. This is our application's home page. It contains two buttons, login button and sign up button. This is our user registration form. After this, we can log in into our application. So let's begin. This is our output of our application. So first we have to sign up in our application. Then we have to fill up this form and select this designation is important. I have already registered, so I am going to login page directly. After this, I am logging into account. This prompt will be opened, then click on OK. As you see, this is our application main page. Here is our application start from. So first we have to add patient details. For the diagnosis details, we have to click on this. This will contains automatically generated patient ID, phone number, full name, address, age, email. So take an example. Let's take an example. For saving the patient registration form, we have to click on this. As prompt will open, we have to click on OK. Then go back. After this, we have to click on test patient, then diagnosis test. Then we have to enter the patient ID we have created in our application. We have created this patient, so we have to copy this patient ID. Then we have to paste on it. As you see, patient name will already. Then we have to click on age and select the age of patient. This is our input symptoms for creating the report. Then we have to click on diagnose. As a prompt open, this will show you don't have malaria as per you have given symptoms in this box. Then click on OK and save record. OK, back. After this, our main application work here starts from, and go to diagnosis reports. As I have created diagnosis test, so diagnosis report. Here we have to paste the patient ID. then generate. This is our patient diagnosis report. We can print this report. Now we have to create a blood test report. Then we have to click on fill up this form. We have to input correct details in this form. Then we have to save the button. Save this report. As you see, report inserted successfully. And cancel. Then we have to click on blood reports. As we have created blood test report, then we have to click on blood reports. These two reports can be generated from blood reports, blood test. First, this is manual report. This will generate from entering the patient ID. Then we have to enter the patient ID, which is inserted earlier. Then generate. This will generate our blood report. We can also print this report. Now crystal report. This will automatically generate. As you see, it is already created. After using this application, we have to log out from our account. So click on it. OK. Cancel. Thanks for watching.